Heyo, I hope this video finds you well. The other day I received a comment from Mehmet. Sorry if I butchered your name. I do apologize. He reminded me to make a video pertaining to my personal experience with growing a beard in my 20s. I'm also going to take it a bit further and compare it to my beard growth at the present moment. But before I forget, I don't really mention this a whole lot, but I do have an Instagram and now a TikTok. Scary, I know. I'm more active on both of those platforms, so if you want to link up there, I'll be there. My handle is Dan's Beard, all one word, on both platforms. Okay, so the subject at hand, beard growth. In regard to beard growth in my 20s, it was pretty much non-existent. And that being said, if you're in your teens or early 20s and don't have a beard or facial hair, it's not the end of the world. There is hope, trust me. I didn't have to shave until I was in my 20s, and I only had to shave like this part right here, and there wasn't a whole lot to work with. Now, oh, and there's no hair on my cheeks. Now, as you can see, I pretty much have a decent beard aside from the sideburns, but it's good to go aside from the sideburns. Now, I can't promise everyone that that's going to be the same exact scenario, but there is a good chance for some of you out there. I've come a long way in caring for the beard and trimming and maintaining. Number one rule, let it grow. Do not touch it. And what I mean by not touching it, don't trim it, don't fidget with it. Trimming leads to mistakes. Mistakes lead to frustration, and the frustration can lead to shaving the whole thing off and starting over, and that sucks. Also, pertaining to fidgeting, it places unnecessary stress on your hairs, and it can lead to premature hair loss. Trust me, I know it's hard not to touch your beard. I want to touch it all the time, but I'm thinking long-term goals and having a ferocious beard. So that being said, try your hardest not to play with it. Now, for beard care and maintaining, I wash and condition my beard daily. I found that this is beneficial to preventing that itchy phase. So in addition to washing and conditioning, I also use beard oil, beard balm. The oil helps keep the skin and hair hydrated and moisturized, while the balm, in addition to the moisturization and protection, helps keep the beard looking tidy. And this is because the beeswax in the balm, it acts as a holding agent and keeps the flyaways subdued. And every now and then, I'll up the ante with a heated beard brush straightener and completely straighten out the beard. And this is just for black tie events and fancy dinners, just to give the beard a more proper appearance. So with all that said, I guess that's the gist of it. Please let me know if you have any other questions. And actually, please let us know your insight or suggestions pertaining to beard growth and beard products from your personal experience. Also, the products that I use, I'll have them linked in the description box below along with a discount. That's it for now. As always, I hope you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing. Until the next one, peace! We out.